Do you have food for the babies? Do you want me to get you some baby food? No. Here's some food. Look. Here's some toy food. Mmm. Is that good pizza?
No.
No.
Yay, babies.
Yay, babies. Babies are eating pizza.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yay, babies.
Oh, yay, babies. Good, they're sharing their pizza. Oh, pizza for the tiny baby. Good job.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah? Yum, yum, yum.
ice.
Num, num. That's a lot of food.
Oh, yay.
Oh, yay! Chocolate for the babies. Did you find a cucumber?
Oh, yay.
You love cucumbers.
Oh, yay.
Oh, yay, donut. Thank you, Riley. Did you go shopping for the babies?
Yes. Oh,
Oh, yay. Waffles. Do you want to give the babies their baba? Where's the baba?
babies.
Yeah?
Nom.
Num. Oh, you found an apple? That's enough food, though.
Well, that's all
Okay.
in here.
Okay, thank you, shopper.
Yay. Hi.
Are you the daddy?
Look at all the babies she has.
I know, there's so many babies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. That baby has a blanket over the face. Let's fix that. 1, 2, 3,
Wait, since I have good eyes,
4,
I'm
5,
blind.
6, 7,
Wait,
8,
wait.
9.
Wait, so can I please do it? Can I please count them?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess there was 7. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13? I thought I counted 14. Maybe I counted that one twice.
Oh.
Oh, well, 13 or 14. That's a lot of babies.
Yeah, she has like.
She has so many babies to take care of, huh?
Yeah, she has like 13.
You're a busy lady, Violet.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
And I'm going to go back to work.
Where do you work at?
I work at. Wait. I just came back home from work and I work at Paradise.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That sounds like a good place to work.
I have like 3 deliveries,
Uh-huh. Violet, get down.
but I got like $70.
Good
So I
job.
got things. So now I have like 99. So I have like $99. And I have like
$5,000.
no. Actually, I got like $3. I got like $29.
Uh-huh.
I mean 39. But right now, but how much money I have right now? I have like 70.
Mm-hmm. Good job, Daddy. Okay, good night. Good night, little family with 13 babies.